what would I do without the remote control? I guess I'll have to get out of my couch, get up all the time, turn it on, off, adjust the temperature. This is going to be really hectic.
Using the TV remote control to enter an address in the smart TV browser is not very easy. It's time consuming, so I don't think it's the best way in order to watch the video that you want to watch or see the page that you want to see on the internet.
I don't think the remote control will survive longer because of advancement in technologies of smart home and smart TVs. So the remote control obviously can't compete with them.
What could be an alternative? An alternative, maybe air conditioning that works on voice command, maybe on clapping. Anything should be an alternative to make things easier, because this is the whole purpose behind technology. So we hope someone actually makes it happen.
A better way to enter your URL address in the smart TV browser, I think, is using the technology of voice recognition. So I think it's fast and easy to enter that.
I would prefer using voice systems or controlling my TV using my phone rather than using the remote control.